Hello everyone, this is a video to show off something which I picked up a few weeks ago and which I thought I should make a video about. So here we have a very nice vintage razor set. This is a Wilkinson sword, single edge, 7-day safety razor set from the early 1900s, about 1930, 1935, thereabouts, which is in pretty decent condition, as you can see. So, Wilkinson sword was one of the first companies to start experimenting with single-edge safety razors. Something which has sadly died out over the years. These days you're familiar with multi-blade razors and double-edge razors, but in the early 1900s, late 1800s, there was a lot of manufacturers of single-edge safety razors. There was a Star, there was Ever Ready, and another big one was Wilkinson sword, which is what we have here. So I'm going to show you what we have here. We have the razor head and handle. We have the stand, and then in here we have a little strop. Then here we have the razor blades. This opens up like this. 7 blades for each day of the week. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how this works is very simple. You take out a blade, pop it down, and here we have the razor head. So what you do is you turn it upside down. There is a knob at the end here which you turn. That moves this little shaft here. You can see it moving up and down like so. So you pull it all the way down. That loosens up this, which is now nice and floppy. You hold it like so. You take the blade and you put it in like so. Goes on at 90 degrees like this, and you turn it and it locks in place. So now you have the blade. Now, next step is to tighten it up. So you screw this again to hold the razor head in position, like so. But you'll notice when I tighten that up, this isn't flat. So to fix that, you untighten it, and before you actually screw it shut, you have to manipulate this little knob here at the back. So you flip it around the right way, and you press down this knob, and I'll see if I can get this on camera. This pops out like this. You push the blade down, let go, and these two little nubs, one here, they hold the blade down, they hold it in place, and you tighten up again, like so. That holds everything in place, doesn't move, and now you're ready to shave, and that's basically how that works. Then we also have the strop or strop stand-in, and this is how this works. Very simple. Again, you unscrew it at the bottom, make it nice and floppy. You press this down again. Before I do that, I should show you this. This is to adjust how aggressive you want the shave to be. So you screw it all the way in and the bar comes out, or you screw it the other way and the bar is retracted, as you can see here. Okay, so how you use the strop is very simple. You release the blade like so. So again, it's nice and floppy. You hold it thus, and here comes the tricky bit, which is getting the strop. You'll see it says here, thread strop this side. So goes is you go under this little bar here, like so, and you go in, and you shove it in, and you pull it out the other side, like so, and there you have it. So basically, this would be mounted to the wall or something like that, and you would pull this really fast, back and forth, across the strop, and you'll see that it flips the blade over. So this is one end, and then you go the other end, flips it over again, and again, flips it over, and again, flips it over. So basically you would mount this to the wall and just crank it back and forth as fast as you can, keeping everything flat and level, and that will strop the blade for you. And just yank it out at the end, and there you have it. And then to remove the blade, you fold it up like this. Again, you twist it 90 degrees, lift it off, done. Then again, you tighten it up like so to hold everything in place. These blades go with the razor. They're not disposable, and basically what you do is when they go blunt, it's your job to sharpen them like a straight razor. So to do that, you have to get the blade out of the mounting bracket here. So to do that, you press like so. You pull the blade out. Here's the blade, and then you just get your honing stone and you just sharpen it like any other knife or straight razor blade. And then when you're done, it goes in, and it goes in one way, not both ways. It goes in this way only, and you just shove it in. So yeah, I mean, this is a pretty good condition, and works well for something that is, must be 85, 90 years old. So yeah, there we are. Hope you found it interesting and enjoyable and enlightening, and yeah, that is how this 1930s Wilkinson sword safety razor set works. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the section below, and I'll be happy to answer them when I can. Thank you.